The second passage is from Matthew chapter 11, verses 28 to 30. Matthew 28:30. Come to me, I will give you rest. A short passage which we have heard this very often, and this passage will say, come to me and rest. Chapter 11, verse 28 and 30. Come to me, all of you who work hard and who carry heavy burdens, and I will refresh you. Take up yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble of heart, and you will find rest. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. Jesus is gentle and humble of heart, and he is inviting, come to me, I will give you rest. When the yoke, I do not know, you must have seen the ploughing, different places they plough differently, but this yoke is a system where there are two bullocks or two buffaloes. The yoke is shared. When the yoke is shared, it becomes lighter. That's why you may have seen in your places, I'm sure, it's always with the two. In some places there can be one also, but most of the places it's seen as two. Two is because it lightens the burden. Therefore, I think Jesus is inviting in that level, come to me and I will give you rest, because that yoke is easy. He is gentle and humble of heart. He invites all to come to him who are weary and carrying heavy burdens of life. Heavy burdens. Sometimes the weight is because heavy burdens. When a thing becomes heavy for us, is it on the kgs? When a thing becomes heavy, is it heavy? Is this thing in my hand is heavy? No. Can you hold it for 3 hours? It will become heavy. The longer we keep, it becomes heavier and heavier. In life also something, if you are lifting maybe 20 kg, you can lift at a time. But if you to keep it on your head always, it will become heavier and heavier. And that's what happens in our life. There are certain unnecessary weight we carry. We are taking the burdens which need not be carried. Therefore, that burden will become heavier and heavier and heavier, and maybe heaviest, because we carry them on us. And here is an invitation of Jesus, carrying the heavy burdens of life, come to me. He promises to give rest to our bodies, our minds, our hearts, and our souls. He invites to take upon you his yoke and to learn from him. Our hearts can only rest in him. Augustine says, our hearts are restless. They will find rest only in him. So our hearts can find rest in him because he is the foundation of our life. He is the purpose of my life, and he is the substance of my life. Therefore, ask the Lord to give you the rest which your soul is seeking for. And that rest will give us a genuine life to us.